Vocabulary, Unit 9, Lesson 3, Part 1. Listen and repeat the key vocabulary. Cheese.
Cheese.
Kite.
Kite.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Extra vocabulary. New Year.
New Year.
Festival.
Festival.
Chinese.
Chinese.
Mud.
Mud.
Dragon.
Dragon.
Monster.
Monster.
Inside.
Inside.
Wind.
Wind.
Alive.
Alive.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Hill.
Hill.
Yuan.
Yuan.
Card.
Card.
Old.
Cold.
Conjugation of verbs. Regular verb. Present. Past.
Pull.
Pulled.
Look.
Looked.
Laugh.
Laughed.
Cover.
Covered.
Wish.
Wished.
Start.
Started.
Stop.
Stopped.
Happen.
Happened.
Irregular verb.
Fall.
Fell.
See.
Saw.
Have.
Had.
Fly.
Flew.
Throw.
Through.
Feel.
Felt.
Run.
Ran.
Take.
Took.
Is/are.
Was/were. Important expressions and prepositions.
Felt alive. Take part in. Look up. Covered in. Wish you good luck.
Look at the picture and tell us what it is.
Cheese. Kite. Tomatoes. Clothes.
You are excellent. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.